My name is Theodoros Lilas. I'm a director in EcoWindwater. It's a spin-off company from universities and private partners that developed a innovative technological solution combining wind power and water desalination in a floating structure. The company is based in Piraeus port, so it's close to the sea, and the project is developed mainly for small Aegean islands. In order to develop a sustainable solution for providing water to small islands, we had to combine technologies from different companies. So we combined companies working with wind energy, companies for desalination, companies in order to develop a floating structure, and also companies for automation in order to integrate all these technologies in one system. So the combination provided a solution to combine renewable energy in a sustainable way to provide potable water for small islands. Where it was quite necessary to combine different technologies because in small islands energy is very expensive. Electricity is produced by diesel oil mainly, and it's not environmental, and it costs quite a lot of money. Additionally, in these areas there are strong winds and also available sunshine, so we used renewable energy in order to power a desalination plant which desalinates seawater by reverse osmosis, and this requires a lot of energy. So we tried to combine available resources in remote areas in order to solve a problem that is faced not only in small Aegean islands but also in other places in the world. So we had to combine several technologies to find a sustainable solution. The main benefits are that you share the same infrastructure, so you can have different better utilization of the investment that you are doing. So you invest in wind energy, you can provide also electricity and through desalination potable water. So you have a flexible solution that deals with significant problems in islands that face also during the tourist season. And another benefit is that through this combination you utilize the available resources and provide a sustainable solution in an economic way. We face several problems also through permits because this prototype was a new design, and it was difficult for all the authorities to understand this new concept and provide the necessary permits. I think the time is good. When we started our project in order to find this solution more than 10 years ago, we discussed through sectors that are more mature, like shipyards and people that develop offshore oil rigs, and their approach was that what you propose is very small for our industry. But now I think they are considering blue growth sectors as an important part of economy, and that has potential in the future. So they're dealing with the new developments regarding renewable energy, offshore structures, and also aquaculture. So I think the time is good for this combination. When you are trying to innovate, you're trying to solve some key problems. But we have the experience that working in different sectors to pay attention also to other issues that are necessary. For example, we have we wanted the experience from several other projects in different sectors in order to have a system that it is functional and working. So not to solve only one specific main problem, but also to deal with minor issues that sometimes cause the system to fail. So we took experience from shipping industry to make all the equipment suitable for operating in the sea environment, and also took into account how to make a industrial system, not a prototype that cannot be used again in the future. So we had to see the experience of other projects and work in a way that to provide a solution that it is working. When we started our project, the uh, concept was only there wasn't any other prototype working. So we have seen publications and ideas regarding how to build. Okay, when you develop something, what you do is not the way you thought about it. So what we have developed was different from the original ideas. But in our way, we have seen other projects, and what we are considering now is combining also the open sea aquaculture, which is another big problem in Greece and other places, because aquaculture is mainly developed close to shore in small bays. So we're thinking of expanding our approach, combining similar technologies. Yeah, we had to build multidisciplinary teams, and it was quite hard to communicate in the beginning. People from with different backgrounds don't speak the same language, and it was quite difficult in the beginning. But as we progressed in the project, we we have seen the benefits of combining the experience from different sectors in order to provide a sustainable solution. Okay, the skills are difficult if you want to find one person that has all the required skills. So we tried to bridge the gaps and make people to communicate easier, and sometimes to assist this with technological issues. But in isolated areas, this problem is even worse. You cannot find a specific technician for desalination, and many desalination systems do not operate. Although they have been bought, they do not operate because of damages. And what we have tried is to eliminate these risks and solve what we can do through technology, building more reliable systems, and assist people to communicate and share their experience in order to have a working solution. Before developing the solution, we have developed, we have gone around small islands and asked about the needs and possible problems of adopting renewable energy technologies in order to solve this problem. So we have asked the users before building the solution, so they were part of the design of the solution and the specification. So users were adopted the final solution because they have participated in the initial phase describing their needs and the specification of the solution. So I think we have met their requirements in the solution we have developed. And okay, problems that appear during the installation and things that face in the future, okay, in good faith are solved together with the users. Okay, Maribe project has assisted us in several ways. Okay, we had in mind how to progress from our initial phase that we have built a pilot system, and we have focused on technical solution and also the needs that are in several places of the world. And through Maribe project, we have received professional advice and help in order to see how we can progress in the future in order to expand and through new opportunities and possibilities. So we greatly appreciate the effort that has been done in Maribe project. From the beginning of our project and our effort in order to solve small island problems, we have asked people to participate and describe their needs as more accurately and overcome their fears, and we thought that we have covered several aspects of this issue, but we would like to thank people working in the Maribe project because they have assisted us in broaden our horizons and help us understand new aspects that we haven't thought about or worked so carefully on these issues. Yes, we consider that through Maribe project we have seen new opportunities, and we are in the phase of exploiting these opportunities, and we believe that we can work also in the future in the directions that we have seen through Maribe project. We like the organization of this advisory session, and we are still in the progress of this meeting, so we'll see the benefits in the future, but we are hoping we will get very good results through this meeting. Okay, thank you.